Welcome to this session on recorded welcomes for online courses. I'm Leslie Trogdon, and I am a graduate faculty member in the Education Department at William Woods University. The purpose of recorded welcomes includes 4 items. The first item, of course, is to welcome students. Secondly, it's a good way to convey expectations, so not only for the course that you're teaching, but also for the program itself. For example, my first recorded welcome was for the very beginning course of the EDD program. So I was able to give students an idea of what the program entailed and what those expectations were. And again, you can also use it to explain the purposes of the course itself that you're teaching. Thirdly, it was a good way to promote student engagement. As you know, we always want to hook our students from the very beginning, and we only have a few seconds to do that. And lastly, it's a good way to model technology. So if we're asking our students to incorporate technology into their presentations, for example, this serves as a good model for them with you as the instructor. We're going to take a minute or so to watch my recorded welcome that I made for this particular cohort, and I'm retrieved this from the Animoto site itself. So Animoto stores all of the videos that you create. At the end of this presentation, I'll leave you this link that you see at the bottom of the screen so that you can access this video again if you would like to review it. So let's take a listen. So let's get started. As you know, there are several ways to make movies, but the program that I use to make my recorded welcome is a program called Animoto. And so this is going to be a demonstration of that program. And I have designed several screenshots that will walk you through the process of making a video. But what you will need to do is to get a trial account for you to make your first welcome video. And then if you like that particular program, Animoto, you can certainly email me and I can give you the password to the subscribed version of what we have. So at the end of this presentation, I will leave you my contact information and you can get in contact with me. So let's get started. This is what you will first see when you log into the Animoto website at animoto.com. So the first thing you would need to do is to click on the icon Get Started. The next step is to click on the icon called Start Trial, as indicated by the red arrow. This screen demonstrates how you need to set up your trial account with simply putting in an email address, your name, and a password that you will need to create so that you can go in and make future videos. And then you can click on the Start Trial button and you can walk your way through the creation of a video. For purposes of this particular presentation, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Once you get this information put in, you'll be able to follow the steps very clearly, and again, I plan on demonstrating those steps for you. One of the advantages of this program that you see here on the left-hand side of the screen is that you can make many videos that are professionally designed. So they include a lot of templates in here, so you don't have to do all of that searching for the types of pictures or photographs that you want to put into your video. It also includes over 1,000 licensed songs, and so when you watch, I'll leave you a link to the video that I created. You'll see that I was able to create the song that matched my message of the video, which again just makes your video that much more interesting to students. And you can create a pretty good high definition video with this particular program. Once you create your account, this is the screen where you'll simply put in your email address and your password. And so with this in mind, we'll go on to the next screen. After logging in, you will see your dashboard. So in this case, I logged in with my account and this is the dashboard. And there are three things I'd like to talk about that's showing on my dashboard. If I want to create a video, then I'm going to click on the Create button to create a new video. If I want to review a video that I've made in the past, then on my dashboard, you can view previous videos. So Animoto stores all of your videos for you. If I want to continue working on a video that I've already started, I can do that. As you can see, this video says in progress. This was a video I started a few days ago, and if I want to continue the video, then I just click on the Continue Editing button. So your dashboard really is your place to either begin a new video, review a video, or continue working on a video. The next step in the process is to choose a theme. So after you push the Create button, you'll see this next screen that depicts several different themes that you'll want to choose for your video. You can browse by category the various themes, so you can preview each of the themes before you actually choose a theme, which is really nice. So that kind of gives you an idea of what your video might look like if you use a particular theme, or whatever theme fits with your particular topic. For this case, I'm just going to choose the cloud theme, or I think it's called the air theme. Once you've selected your theme for your video, this is the next screen that shows up, and you'll see this is verification that the air theme was selected. So the next step is to simply create your video by clicking on this button. The next step is to actually create your video. So this is the fun part. So you are in the loading video creator screen where you'll have several different options to help you design your video, which actually makes it very simple. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through the options. You can, if you don't like that air theme you decide, you can change the theme here by changing the style. You can also add your own personal logo. For example, in the video that I created, I added William Woods University logo. You can also, this is where you're going to choose the various pictures. Not only do you have pictures to choose from, you actually have live video itself that you can incorporate into your own video. So moving screens, a movie you can incorporate within your movie, which is really pretty cool. And then you can add the text. You notice that when you watch my video, I had several different text or messages that I incorporated into my video. You can also add more songs to your video. The theme that I chose, the air theme, came with this particular song. So I can keep that song or I can change the song. And you just simply click on change song, or if you want to change the song, you'll see a whole listing of just hundreds and hundreds of songs you can choose from, or you can just, in addition to that song, you can add another song. So this really is kind of a fun way to create your video without a lot of work. It's actually a fairly simple process. So I'll try in the next couple of slides to actually create a video. Just kind of walking you through some steps, but it's actually very easy and is very intuitive, but we'll go ahead and give that a try. So the first step for my video, I'm going to go ahead and add a logo. So when I clicked on Add Logos, this is the screen that you will see, and I simply, from my desktop, dragged a picture of the William Woods University logo into this picture area. So it was very easy, as simple as that. The next step after adding the logo is to go ahead and add pictures and videos. So you would simply click on the Add Pics and Videos button. So when you click on the Add Pictures and Videos button, you'll see this screen where you'll have several options to upload your pictures and videos. And you see Facebook, all of the social media kinds of outlets, plus Dropbox. If you want to get a photo or a video from Dropbox, your own files you can, or you can go to Animoto's image library. That's where all of the pictures are that you can choose from, or you can go to the video clip library, or you can use both again. But so you have lots of options to add pictures and videos. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can choose from this library, or you can choose from your own personal files. So with my video, I added a movie. In this case, this was the very introduction where I wanted to show kind of a travel theme, so I picked a travel video showing an ocean theme. And then I also added an ocean scene with a picture. And next, I'm going to show you how you can add captions or add text to your picture. To add text to any of your pictures on your video, simply select the picture and then click on Caption. After you selected your picture, you're going to write a caption, and this pop-up window appears. And in this case, I simply added the text, "Smooth sailing so far for making an Animoto video." After that, you simply click the X button to close out the pop-up window to get back to your video. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a title to your video. And to be able to do that, you're going to need to click on Add Text. So when you click on Add Text, this pop-up screen will appear, and you'll simply need to type in the name and subtitle of your video. In this case, the title was How to Make a Video, and the subtitle was, I just typed in Audience for Faculty at William Woods University. the next step I'd like to show you is how to change a song. I'm not really happy with the song that they preloaded in with this particular theme, so here's an example of how I can change a song to make it fit better with my theme. So this is what the screen looks like to change a song. So in this case, I'm going to choose this particular song that is a rain theme. This is more weather related and fits with my particular topic. And so I'll simply select that. So as you can see, we were able to successfully change our song to For Rain. And I'd also like to point out that at any time while you're making the video throughout this process, you can always edit your video, change songs, change pictures, add more pictures by simply clicking on the preview video button at any point in the process. And so that's a really handy feature to have as you can monitor your progress and see whether you're satisfied or not satisfied with your product as you're going along. For purposes of this demonstration, we were had just a few moments to make a video today so that you would have a chance to kind of see how Animoto works and the steps involved with that. But let's just say now that our video is finished. So we're ready now to produce our video. It's a final product, we're happy with it. So in order to produce the video, you're also going to click on the preview button. So once you click the preview button, you will get this screen where you will have the option of actually producing your video to finalize your video, or you can push continue editing. In this case, we're going to finalize the production of our video, so we're going to produce it. So we will click here. Next, after producing your video and closing out that pop-up screen, you will see this screen next, which is producing your video, where you will just simply type in a title for your video, the date that you're producing it, your name, and then just a short description of your video. After you have typed in those things, you're ready to click on Finish. After clicking Finish, this is the next screen where this is the official publication of your video. Congratulations! Where the title of our video is How to Create an Animoto Video, and we're simply ready to play it. You can play it in your classes, so it's ready to go. So we will go ahead and play the video so you can see the finished product. That completes the process for giving you kind of a taste of what it's like to make a welcome video using Animoto. And so congratulations on getting through all of the steps involved. So I hope that you've learned to make an Animoto video, again, whether that be for a welcome purpose or just making a video for any time for use in your class. And that you have found the process to be easy and fun and intuitive, and that it provides some innovation for the courses that you teach. So make it your next best class ever the next time you teach a class. To view the video we just made, you'll need to type in your browser this address that you see on the screen. And if you'd like to view the welcome video that I made for my class, you can simply type in your browser this particular address as well. So again, thank you for your time today, and the best way for you to get started is to again get that trial version of the Animoto program. If you find that you like the trial version and you want to do more with videos, be sure to get in contact with me and I can give you information so that you can get access to the subscribed version. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.